Could this be the best AI image enhancement software in the market? Hello guys, welcome to another video and let's jump right in to see what this software can do. It's called Aiarty Image Enhancer. And of course, the company, I don't know, the company, that is the name of the company, and that this is the name of the software itself. So now they have a lot of products. They have a bunch of other products, but as you can see, let me bring the screen out here, right? So as you can see here, it's called Aiarty Image Enhancer. That is if I pronounce that correct. And according to them, it's a generative AI powered image enhancement software that leverages 3 advanced AI models to deblur the noise and upscale and generate realistic details for superior clarity and sharpness. Ready for your whatever. Now, there's a trial version. You can click here to download, to use, or to try it out, and then when you like it, you go, do justice to that. But then there's system requirements here. This is what they have. For the supported PC, you have this here. You have supported OS. You must have at least Windows 10, 64-bit, and this version of Windows, and then this build of Windows, and then the CPU must be any Intel or AMD processor with 64-bit support, and the RAM, at least 8 gig of RAM can work, and above 16 gig, 8 gig is recommended. 16 or above RAM, it's will do you more good. And then you have direct hardware acceleration. AMD is for this, so you can see a bunch of this here. Okay. Yeah, this is what it supports, and for Mac, this is the system support for it. By the way, a quick one, these guys are not sponsoring this video, so it's a product that I just decided to check out, okay, based on research. And according to them, you see they have model 1. One has, you get more details from your GAN, or what is called GAN, and if you click here, it flips and then it tells you what you get out of the model 1. The hardware is, you can see, it's a test, okay. They are using right here, they are using AMD Radeon RX 6700 XT, and the AI model is more details, version 2, and this is what you're getting. Generate more details, more clarity, more sharpness, the blur and the noise, better skin and hair, and you can also upscale up to 80K, 8K, guys. You have 2K, 2x, that 4x, 8x, 1K, 2K, 3K, up to 8K, guys. So this is what you're getting from model 1. Then model 2, they have model 2, which is the smooth div, okay, and this is what you get out of it, okay. I'm not going to go through all of this. You can see the scaling right here, okay. You can see this is different and this is different, okay. And then model 3 has to do with real photo. So now this is what you get from the real photo, which you can see in version 3. Let me flip this, version 2, and version 3, right? So this is what you're getting. So images trained, this software, these guys, they know what they're doing. So they've used up to close to 7 million images to train the data set, as well as 3,000 images for batch processing per hour, and 32K maximum max resolution for upscaling. And the GPU that have been used to do all of this is NVIDIA, to test all of this or do all of this, by the way, is NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, and CPU. Now I'm using a regular, Folocom Intel processor that comes with my system. It's not high, but of course I'm going to show you the results. Now here you have enhance your photos for better perceptual quality. Here you have the blur, so you can deblur your images. Okay, this you can see before and after right here. Right, so you can go through all of these. But this is what you get from this software. They have everything there. You want to do that, you can see. This is beautiful, isn't it? So this has the, it's a blurred image, and of course, let's just go back to our software and let me show you. Now you can see how this image shot out to Esther, by the way. This is my G right here. So you can see this image is blurred, very, very blurred, okay? And you have I've used this software. As you can see, here's my settings. So the hardware, of course, I'm using the CPU. I don't have a dedicated card or graphic card there. And you have the model. So you select the model, okay, version 2, version 3, version 2, and that there. And then here to upscale, you can choose whichever one. Like I said, you have up to 8K, guys. So, and then right here you can give it a prompt. You can quickly add right here you can add a text. You can add a text to your whatever. So I can say okay, I can just type in here sorry, Nurse Esther. Okay, so I can type there, do all of this, change the font, and just go through this. Just go through that, change my font maybe to anyone like this one, and can scale it down, and then maybe bring it right here, maybe somewhere here. Just make it a little bit smaller, and so maybe you like to watermark your images. You can do all of that, and yeah. So there's nothing much going on here with the image, but I'm not going to use that. So, and once you're done, the export is so I can just upscale here. Let me upscale up to maybe a quick one. Yeah, so what this does is automatically it determines, okay, for the fact that you can choose whatever scaling you want, but it depends on the size of the image that you're working on. So for example, for this one, it can scale up to 2x, okay? And once I'm done, I can just hit run, and voila, here we go. Here we go. Can you see how beautiful this is looking? Can you see how beautiful this is looking? Of course, you can tweak it to make it look the way you want, but this is what we've got. Now, let's go back and bring in another image, which this is Nos Glow. Now, shout out to Nos Glow right there. I mean, it's simple to use, easy to use, and straightforward, okay? You can just drop your image and the AI will go on to do everything for you. Okay, you don't really need to touch anything. It detects your image and decide what um, um, I mean, the best settings for you, right? So, like I said, it goes through the image and determines the best settings for you. Of course, you can abort and then do all of your settings here, but it has loaded the AI model, okay, and then now is looking for the reference settings to apply, and that is all. Let's see. Let me see another image to which we can work with. Okay, so that is done. So let's see what we have here. This is a very, very blurred image, but you can see what it has done to it. Okay, so yeah, this is a very powerful tool software. I highly, highly, highly recommend this. As you can see, the difference is so clear. I can just go ahead and hit here, and the export, for the fact that the export exporting is very fast, is fantastic. So you can see this is the what we've got. Let me show you the main image. The main image is a screenshot from TikTok, okay, and this is what we have after after using this software to work on it. Can you see? So I believe this is better than some of these, much better than some of these softwares out there, and I have a lot of them that will be taken serious. Let's do one more, and we call it a day. Let's get another one. There's this image I have right here. So this image, I'm just going to drop this image right here, and this is uh, one of the political leaders in Nigeria. I think the first, I mean, the man who, the first lecturer of Lagos State, is it Lagos State's Department of Psychology? Yeah, and who became a very, very prominent politician, and in the Nigerian political uh, system. So right here you can see this is the original size of the image, and then here we have 1280 by 720. It has decided that, and then here is what we've got right here. At least it tried to recover a whole lot of the image. Okay, so you can see this, and then this is what we have right here. So the difference is clear. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, hit the notification button. If you have any question, comment below, and at the end, if you have a request for a video, just comment below or send a mail, and I'll do justice to that. Thank you for watching, and see you next time in another video. Bye-bye.